Hey Nail Techs, it's Jill Wright from nailtechevent.com. My shirt. We are going to do an unboxing from one of our VIP sponsors. Look at it, it's from Gehwol Foot Care. Gehwol was started in Germany by just a man, you know, and he started a foot care line 1868. Gehwol is the oldest continuously operated foot care company in the entire world, and they're one of our sponsors for the Nail Tech event of the Smokies Show coming up this July in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. So let's do an unboxing and see what they sent us. This will be for the VIP nail techs who got VIP tickets to the show. So let us see what up here. I'm excited. You would think I got to keep any of this, but no, I don't. I am the show producer, so this is not for me. This is for all the nail techs. So here we go. Let's see. Ooh, okay, this must be door prizes? Yes, oh my gosh. Look it. I gotta get this out so we can see what up. Check this out. 3 nail techs will be taking home this big Gehwol door prize. They got 3 of them here. Check this out. Look at it. It's got everything you need to start doing Gehwol pedicures. Mani-pedi kit. Oh my gosh. Look at all these ingredients. Oh, look at that. This is luscious. Oh my gosh, this has to be worth hundreds of dollars. It's quite heavy too, I must say. So I'm gonna package that back up nicely. So yes, we draw for door prizes. What happens at the show when you come and you get your tickets, you know, you get your tickets at nailtechevent.com, and then you show up at the show and we check you in. We put a wristband on your wrist, and on the wristband has a little tab. The tab has numbers that match the numbers on your wristband. And so the little tabs go into a bucket, and we draw for those tabs during the day. So anyway, we'll call out different winners and what have you. So you just always have to listen for your numbers to be drawn, and then you win prizes. And I just noticed something. This kit is different. This says small pedicure kit, small pedicure kit. And this one is this one's a medi-pedi. I thought it said mani-pedi. Oh my gosh, I don't have my glasses. It's a medi-pedi for medical pedicurists. So yes, come to the Nail Tech event of the Smokies. You could be taking home all kinds of good stuff. And look at each one of these, this whole pack. It's got multiple packets of samples inside from Gehwol. This whole pack will be in one of the VIP bags, 150 VIP bags, 1 pack of these in each of the VIP bags. So thank you, Gehwol, for sending us this most awesome stuff. Look at this. Okay, so this says the small pedicure kit. I want to see what is in here. I'll try to balance this so I don't send it flying off onto the floor. Yeah, that'd be terrible. Okay. All right, this one's taped. Oh, it's got some Gehwol. Look at this. These are like those yoga socks that open up your toes so it automatically has toe separators in it. I've got to see what, yeah, I'll put it back. I'll tape it back. Whoever wins this, I promise, I will make it nice for you. Look at all this. Not entirely sure what that is, but I guess it's something good. So, let's see. Oh, look. Oh, the milk and honey foot cream. This Fusscraft herbal foot bath, I am not kidding you. This stuff is the bomb. This is the bomb. You all need this in your life. It smells fresh and clean, and it actually like starts soaking off all kinds of crud that's on the feet, and it makes foot filing so much easier. You're gonna love it, whoever wins this. So anyway, nail techs, go to nailtechevent.com. Jill Wright, peace out.